We all use different types of codes and symbols to represent data. Morse code uses dots and dashes to represent letters and numbers. Semaphore is an alphabet flag signalling system based on waving a pair of flags in a particular pattern. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander art can represent different concepts depending on the context. For example, 3 circles can mean a waterhole or a campfire. And Braille is a raised 6-cell dot system used for those who are visually impaired. Let's learn more about Braille. Braille is pretty easy to learn. It's based on the first 10 letters of the alphabet, A through to J. We only use the top 4 dots in each cell. Let's try and remember these first 10 cells by using a story. One day you want to cross a river, so you approach a bridge, but it's closed. So you take a detour but realise you're on empty. So you fill up with fuel, but now you're in gridlock. So you trade your car for a Harley, turn the ignition on and jump over the river. When moving the grid over the symbols of the story, you can see how they match up letters A through to J. Now let's look at the next 10 letters of the alphabet K to T. You can see they have the same A to J cell combinations, but an extra cell on the bottom left has been added. And again for the next 10, but only 5 of those are letters U to Z. You can see that 2 cells have been added, both on the bottom row. But where is the W, you ask? Well, the Braille alphabet was created by a French teenager, Louis Braille, and classic French does not have a W, so it was added later on. The numbers 0 to 9 are the same as A to J. How can you tell numbers and letters apart? Well, to indicate you are using numbers, you put a backwards L in front of the number cell combination. If you wish to go back to letters, you put the special character of a raised 5 and 6 cell to go off the numbers and go back to letters. If you wish to capitalise a letter, you use a raised number 6 dot immediately before that letter. Now it's your turn to figure out this word. Did you get C-A-T? Well done, you just spelt cat in Braille. Where have you seen Braille out in the community? Attempt to read Braille by using your sense of touch and discuss the challenges that visually impaired people might face in learning how to read it. Group challenge. Write a note to the person next to you and challenge them to decode it.